Hello, in this video I shall be giving the analysis of a topic. The topic is regulatory moves on digital companies as need of the hour. So there is a need for regulatory measures to take upon digital companies. We shall see why. Because there is a huge monopoly power play in digital companies. Only few big technology giants are controlling the digital companies right now. We very much know that only Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Google and few such companies are playing in digital world when there are some hundreds and thousands of companies. So this is avoiding competition, which is very dangerous, and the whole of data will be in the hands of these few companies, which is also very dangerous. So this is the need of the hour, that there must be some regulatory measures on these companies. Especially during COVID-19 time, we are more relying upon digital technology, and this is the reason why this issue has come into the light right now. And there are so many cases also on these big technology giants recently as we follow the newspaper. So we shall see why these cases are there. Earlier, for example, there was a case in 1988 by the US on Microsoft. The Department of Justice of US posted this particular thing on Microsoft. So we know that the fight against these big monopoly giants in digital companies and technology started since 1988 itself. So but now there are so many cases by the US and European Union and all on some technology giants like Facebook, Amazon, Apple and Google. To get the things clear, we shall see some examples of these cases. Firstly, on Google, the US made a lawsuit in October 2020, very recently. So the reason is because of its domination and dominant position in digital world and among digital companies. So Google is trying to become the default search engine, the only search engine in internet. So when there are so many other companies and firms, it is trying to become a defaulter by buying away small companies. So this will create non-competition and very dangerous situation, and also it will use up the data of users. So all the users in the world, for the search engine, they go to Google and they use it, and everybody will have their own data inside the Google. So all these users' data will be in the hands of a single company called Google, which is very dangerous for future. And this is because the monopoly is because of good advertising capabilities of Google and also heavy partnerships. So Google partners with whatever good company it comes across. It has got so much of data of all the users. Because of this data, it makes a lot of money. Because of this money, it buys all partners, it buys all other small companies. So this is the reason this has emerged to be the giant or the monopoly technology company in the whole world. So this is the reason of the case right now. So the US FTC, Federal Trade Commission, filed a case on Google accusing it that it has become the market power in social networking, crushing all small competitors. So this is the heading of the case. So this is the reason for the lawsuit. The next example is Facebook. So Facebook bought recently WhatsApp and Instagram. So we have 2 billion users out of 40 billion users of WhatsApp. We have 2 billions from India, and this is the reason why India is also concerned about this, because all the things or all the privacy things in WhatsApp and Instagram and Facebook will be in the hands of a single player called Facebook. So this is also very dangerous in our security view of the country. And India is the largest market for Facebook, wherein we have around 270 million accounts. So this is also very dangerous, that all of India's, when the data of people is with Facebook, that means all of the data of the country is with Facebook. So this is very important in our security point of view. And the founder of Facebook happens to say that it is better to buy than to compete. So that is the reason I'm buying WhatsApp. That's the reason we are buying Instagram and all. But this is a very wrong statement, which was also offensive to the digital world. So WhatsApp was bought by Facebook in 2014 for $19 billion and Instagram in 2012 for $1 billion. So this is the reason why Facebook is emerging so big. And the sellers of WhatsApp and Instagram, they happen to say that these offers can't be refused because of domination and threat from Facebook. When they say no to Facebook, as this is a big giant that can curb the users not to go to WhatsApp and Instagram, that can also harm these platforms. So because of this threat, they have sold it to Facebook. So there is this monopoly playing in a very violent way also. So monopoly is dangerous in this way also. The next one is Amazon. So we have 1/3 share in India about Amazon. In all of the online marketing firms, Amazon takes 1/3. And European Union recently in November made a lawsuit on Amazon that it is gathering unfair data. So all the purchases, all the buying, selling things, with this it is collecting the data of all users unfairly and it is selling it and making money. So about this there is a case. So this has become a gatekeeper, the only gatekeeper of e-commerce, and this is creating internal competition between sellers, and it is mediating between sellers and buyers and keeping buyers and sellers at gray. That means it is not communicating well, but in fact it is through this mediation it is collecting unfair data from both sellers and buyers. It is also buying startups with its domination, and also it is buying all software developers with its domination. So these companies are forced to sell their companies, sell their small firms to Amazon. So that is how Amazon is emerging to be a monopoly player in e-commerce platform. This is dangerous. The next one is Apple, and Apple gives high commission fee to whoever sells it. For example, it gives 30% commission to whoever sells it. So more companies will promote Apple. This is the reason of the high cost of the Apple goods, because of high commission. It will take back the profits from the customers. And it buys regularly all the small firms whichever it feels interesting because of this huge amount it gets from customers, and it favors its own apps. We can't use other apps in Apple, so that's the reason how it favors its own apps and improves its money and technology more. So this is a sole player in mobile technology, we can say. So these giants are becoming bigger and bigger, which are posing threat to our data security and all. So why the monopoly condition? The situation is because of high user base. These people, as we have seen, there are 270 million accounts on Facebook, 1/3 share in Amazon. We are using more of these big companies. So there is huge user base. So they are becoming kings in digital world. And there are new developers and they are able to buy them because of huge returns they get. And they are promoting their sites more, and they are gathering a lot of data, and data is a very big income. So these days the biggest revenue that any company can have is data. So that's how they are becoming monopoly players, and how this is going to impact on users. And they're eroding privacy protection these days. So there is no privacy control measure. Especially Facebook and WhatsApp have eroded or removed these privacy control measures recently, which is a threat to our lifestyle and security and data. So there are complicated terms of service which we don't at all understand, we don't at all read them, but just we log in with good confidence on these platforms, but they are exploiting our confidence and they are selling our data with others. That's the reason we get notifications from even other apps which we don't even have. So they are selling our data, and the data collection and users' lives are in their grip. So by this, it is a dangerous situation on users' part also, that there is monopoly on digital companies. And what is the solution? The way forward is divestment measures. Divestment is, as Facebook bought WhatsApp and Instagram, it has to give them back to their owners. It has to sell them back. So these measures have to be taken in order to remove this, curb this monopoly. And antitrust lawsuits, there must be these cases like US and European Union have filed. There must be more cases even from other countries. So these will force them to have good regulatory or protection policies and all. And there is a need for privacy law in India. Even the Supreme Court reiterated that the freedom of privacy is very important, but there is no privacy policy right now. This is very dangerous to the security of India. So there has to come up a privacy policy on these technologies, giants. As we can see, all of these are foreign technology firms, Amazon, Google and all. So they having our data with foreign companies is a dangerous situation. So there has to be a privacy policy, and there must be a breakage of nexus of local companies with giants. So Facebook, Amazon, Google, all of these are having partnership with local companies, big local companies like Reliance and all. So that must be broken. Our local companies must try to develop their own selves rather than becoming friends or partners to these big companies and selling our data to them, which is dangerous to the country as a whole. So this is something about the reforms that we must bring in digital companies and all, and that's the reason why this has come into light, that there is a huge need of our in view of our security. So this is the topic for today, and thank you.